So, if you guys are wondering what we're doing here, well, just saying, welcome to another video. There's a Ohio Central right down there. Right down past the road. What? Is it reversing? I don't know. Well, the crossings have gone up, but it's down there. I just saw the front of it. Probably not allowed to cross the street. But it's back there. It has reversed. So you see, it's gone. We're now coming upon the bridge. The bridge is right up here. So it should be right over here. Correct. Boom, there it is. 4093 and 4099. They did, in fact, reverse onto the bridge. That is so weird. Well, we are back at the yard. And it's very blurry. There we go. There it is. It's pulled up. And it is going backwards again. Are you serious? Where are you going? Oh, see you at the bridge again.